Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the X-bar is not working on Windows. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check if the Xbox game bar is enabled or not. So for that you need to enter into your settings over there, gaming, and then game bar. Over there you need to allow your controller to open game bar. Yeah, so that's it. So our second step is to enter into the settings and application to repair and reset the Xbox. So for that you need to search for Xbox and then advanced option. Over there please scroll down and you may see the terminate. So first do the terminate and then do repair and then reset the Xbox. So once you're done, please close it. And then our third step is to update the Xbox. So for that you need to enter into your Microsoft Store. Over there you need to search for Xbox and please update the Xbox. If your Xbox is already updated, it's not an issue. Please close it. Yeah, my Xbox is in up to date, so there is no update available. Yeah, so our fourth step. So we are entering into our fourth step. Our fourth step is to enter into our settings. Over there you need to enter into the application and then installed apps and then Xbox. So over this step we are going to check the background application permission. For that you need to enter into the three dot icon and then click advanced option and then please scroll down. You may see the background app permission. So over there please enable it as always. So once you're done, please close the settings. Yeah, so our next step is to restart Xbox services. So for that you need to press Windows R and then type services.msc and then click OK. Yeah, once you're done, please scroll down. You may see the Xbox accessories management service, Xbox Live Game Save and Xbox Live Auth Manager. So you need to restart all the Xbox services once again. Yeah, please click yes. Sometimes it may allows. So in some system you may have only 3 services. In some systems you may see around 4 to 5 services. It's based on your system package. So please restart all the Xbox services and then close it. Yeah, so once you're done, we are heading into the next step. So over there you need to open Windows PowerShell on run as administrator mode. This is to reinstall Xbox game bar. So for that you need to copy the prompt in the description and paste it on the PowerShell and then click enter and then type exit to exit from the PowerShell. Yeah, so our last step is to check the Windows update. So for that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows update and then click check for an update. So once you're done, please restart your system. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.